What's up, fellow trainers? I'm TrainerJames, and you're watching another episode of Pokemon Let's Build Mega Construx. In today's episode, we're building Zubat. But before we get into building, be sure and show some love to Zubat by hitting that like button. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of our Pokemon Let's Build series. And with that, let's get building. So first up, as always, we must remove the Pokemon from the box. So let's go ahead and get this done. Yes, got it. Yeah. With that Zubat. By the way, 21 pieces. Let's throw that away. So I hope you guys enjoy this new setup, this new camera setup. I figure it'll probably be easier to see what's going on. That way my hand's not constantly getting in the way of the shots or putting pieces together and everything. So we get this overhead view and things just look better, I do imagine. So here's this box right here, or this package. As you can see, we have Zubat pieces right there. Like his mouth and everything. So, this one has Zubat's wings. Okay, so let's get to opening these packages. We'll start with the wings first. Just empty them right into these Pokeballs. That way we don't lose anything. You know, we don't want anything rolling off this table like I've had in the past. Don't want to lose any of these pieces because, quite honestly, I really like Zubat. I like Zubat's whole line. Zubat, Crobat, Golbat. Those are some of my favorite Pokemon, and I know that's a really unpopular opinion because people tend to hate Zubat and Crobat, or Zubat and Golbat because of caves. You know, because that's pretty much all you ever run into. But yeah, Zubat, some of my favorites. So, step number 1 says we need, let's see, let me find the pieces. We need this piece right here, this circular piece, and let's see, we need, there are 2 pieces that look like this. We need both of them. So there's one, there's another, and then we need, let's see, this piece right here. Okay, so let's set these aside. And then what we do next is you take this and you attach, oh man, wait, let's see, okay, yes, so, ow, gosh, what the heck, okay, that's not working, look at that, leaving indents in me. No, man, these pieces hurt. Okay. There we go. Finally got it snapped in. Hope you enjoyed my pain. Now let's snap these other two pieces in, hopefully. Ah, man. They do not make this easy. Come on, Zubat. I want to build you. Well, it's not snapped in. Let's see. There we go. Got it. Now let's see if we can't snap this piece in. Oh yeah, that one went in real easy. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a weird set of binoculars or something. But anyways, that's step one. So step two has us turning this over and crafting onto the back side. Right? Okay, so we need the ear pieces. Right? So like the triangular pieces. There's one ear. There's the other ear. Oh my, oh no, I dropped it. Okay, see, there you go. And then, on top of that, we also need what looks to be this piece. Oh, wait. And we need this dome piece, or this, yeah, sort of dome piece. That's the back of the head. Alright, so let's fit this into there, just like that. That one went in easy. Easy mode. And then we gotta fit these ears in here as well. You know? Yes. I assume these, yeah, they rotate. So you can move Zubat's ears any way you want, but that is the interior of the head. Here's what the back of the head looks like. Okay, so that's step two. Then step three has us building the rest of what looks to be the body using, nope, not that piece. See these two pieces right here with the hooks on them? These are the two pieces that connect the head to the body. So I'm just going to snap that there and then put this right there. And then I'll put this on this side, just like that. Zubat is starting to come together. Slowly and surely. Okay, step four has us putting the mouth. See, here's the mouth. We got to put the mouth with the head. Oh no, we lost an ear. Lost an ear, guys. I got to take the mouth back off now. Darn it, we lost an ear. Zubat, you're not supposed to be deaf. No. What? No. No. There. There's the head. Now we gotta put the back of the head back on. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then let's put this body piece on. There. Ta-da! Wingless Zubat. Kind of looks like a short vampire. And next up is we attach these bottom leg pieces to obviously the legs. Man, that was the easiest step yet. I like that one. And then next up, oh man, we've got the wings. The wings. So we need these wand, aka like microphone looking pieces, right? And then you set them down in there like that. See how each wing has a hole? Well, yep. So you just set that cylindrical piece down there. Make sure the bulb pieces are sticking out. And then they simply just attach right into there, just like that. Oh yeah. And then the wings are also posable. The Dark Knight. I'm Batman. Which I always name my male Zubats Batman. And then last up is you take this plastic Allen wrench piece, just stick it in one of these holes. And that's it. That is Zubat. So let's go ahead and put the Pokeball back together. And then we can fit Zubat right on top of it. Just like that. And there we go. There is Batman himself, the Zubat. Yeah. Well, remember guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, for more Pokemon Let's Build Mega Construx episodes. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.